Hi everyone, welcome to the Free Range Diva. There's nothing like the smell of fresh baked goods coming from your kitchen to make you think about fall and cooler temperatures. And one of my favorite quick breads that will fill your kitchen with this beautiful, sweet, heavenly scent is banana bread. But not just any banana bread. This is macadamia nut coconut banana bread. So, if you'd like to know more about this recipe, then just keep watching. Here's the bread. This recipe came from the Urban Vegetarian, and it's one of the few recipes that I haven't changed at all. I follow it exactly as it's written, and so I will link it below so that you can find it. But this combines the tropical flavors of banana and macadamia with a little coconut oil. And the end result is just a perfect marrying of flavors that would naturally go together well anyway. This bread is made from oatmeal flour and it uses Greek yogurt in it. And the two combine together to give it a beautiful tender crumb. It's a little bit cold, but you can see here it's very moist. It has a great crumb and a great structure, and I really like using Greek yogurt or any kind of yogurt in these quick bread recipes for that reason. As you might expect, you make this just like you would any other quick bread. You combine your wet ingredients, then combine your dry ingredients and add those in. Don't stir too much because you don't want to make this texture tough. And let the magic of the baking soda, which works very well with yogurt, do its thing to lift and really give you a beautiful, flavorful, perfect banana bread. The smell coming off this right now is just killing me. I want to eat it so bad, but I'm refraining. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I made this, and I hope you enjoy. You start out by mashing your bananas together, and I love, you can do this, you can actually put all these wet ingredients in a food processor or blender if you like, but I like doing things the old-fashioned way, using the old-fashioned tools like this potato masher, which is probably 50, 60 years old. When you add in your dry ingredients, just stir them until everything is combined and you don't see any lumps or bumps from the dry ingredients. The oatmeal flour makes this recipe gluten-free, provided you use flour made from oats that have been certified gluten-free. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. It's absolutely one of my favorites. And I'm gonna sign off now because I want to pour myself a cup of tea and get a nice healthy slice of this. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Everyone take care and have a great week. Bye!